Biscotti. The dipping cookie. A dessert from Italy. Serves 4. You will need 13 ingredients. Step 1. The bis means twice and Cotti means cooked, and our recipe for these crisp, crunchy cookies does just that. They are best when dipped in hot coffee, cocoa, or milk for a few
Step
seconds
2.
until softened.
Preheat
then oven to
right
400
away.
carat. Toast nuts until browned, about 8 minutes. Let cool. Step 3. Use metal blade and food processor work bowl to finely chop zest and granulated sugar, about 60 seconds. Step 4. Add brown sugar, extracts, margarine and eggs, process until combined, about 5 seconds. Step 5. Add nuts and dry ingredients and pulse until combined, about 12 times. Step 6. Transfer dough to floured surface, roll into 2 12-logs. Step 7. Pat logs to 2.5 wide. Place 3 apart on lightly greased baking sheets. Step 8. Beat egg whites slightly and brush over surface of logs. Step 9. Bake 20 minutes until firm and lightly browned. Remove from oven, reduce heat to 325 carat. Step 10. While still warm, cut logs diagonally into half slices, lay cut side down on sheets. Step 11. Bake 15 minutes more until dry. Step 12. Cool on wire racks. Step 13. Store in plastic food storage bag or tin for up to 1 month. Country reports, culture, countries, travel.